What's up, y'all? So we're back in Connecticut, as you guys can tell. I haven't posted in quite a few days, but I mean, I did yesterday because we had a drift event, but of course I was at SEMA for the end of the week and it was an amazing time. SEMA videos always do really crappy because, I mean, you have like 300 people posting the same video, and I get that. So I decided not to film and just have the best time I could, and I did, and it was amazing. So thank you guys for giving me that little break. But I do have to say a huge thank you to TireStacks.com for flying me out there as a brand ambassador. I'm really excited to be working with them this season, and you guys will see more of that later on. But it's actually a website that's going to drop early next year, so pretty soon, that allows the average Joe, just anyone, to basically go online and order tires in bulk. For someone who buys a lot of tires every season, if we could buy it in bulk and save a lot of money, that's amazing, because no one else offers this. So this is huge. So I'm gonna stop rambling on because today is a huge day, and you could probably tell by the title of the video. Today we are revealing Brian's Mark III's paint job. So as you guys know, we've been talking about it for a little while now. Brian has a Mark III daily that he's had for a few years. He's been trying to get it ready for paint, and 2 days ago, he officially sprayed it. Meantime, I'm gonna pick it up on his lunch break and get it ready to bring it down to his shop once he gets out, and we'll go play with it. So, let's see if I got this one hand. Come on. Oh, God damn. Whew. I'm so excited to see this thing in person, because in photos, it looks amazing. Oh my God. Look at it. Ah, it looks so good. Sheesh. Oh my God. Look at this color. Kid, you did so good, kid. I'm so impressed.
Thank you, thank you. It's most of the way there. I still have all of the little parts and the bumpers to paint, but the chassis is all one color.
Do we show them the color now? Should I take it out of black?
You can show them. Just give them a little bit. Just give them. They'll see it. We'll give you guys a full taste of the car when I'm done.
What do you mean done?
When like all of it's together.
We're gonna put it together tonight?
No.
No?
I still gotta paint the rest of the car.
Oh, whatever. Fine. We'll give them a taste today.
Just a taste.
This is the. Okay, fine.
Show them the quarter.
All right, here we go. Oh, you're in the, get out. There we go. Look at that. Can we paint my S13 this color? This is so cool. This is so good.
You can paint it whatever color you want.
Oh, you're such a good friend. Oh, dude. Oh, one more taste. This is so gangster. Okay, well, I guess you still have to what? Paint like the trim, the gas door, the mirrors, the front bumpers.
Yes, sir. But Jimmy's here. He's gonna take it away for me with his trailer.
Does it run?
It matches your truck.
It does.
It doesn't have a battery. It also hasn't seen oil pressure in over a year, so I'm not about to test that theory.
Whatever, I got the winch. All right, well, I gave you guys, I thought we were gonna go a little more into it, but I gave you guys a taste. Stay excited, I'm excited, and we'll deal with it later. So let's get on the trailer.
Yes, yes, sir.
Well, I didn't think I'd see the day.
I didn't think I'd see the day.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, touch it.
Oh, wow, it's so smooth. You didn't even wet sand or buff it yet.
No, I'm gonna need to.
Oh, you mean for things like... Got him.
Listen, at least it's not like all crinkly and fucked up. Yeah.
There's no orange peel. That's all that matters.
There's some orange peel for sure, but that's kind of the point of putting 3 coats of clear on the car, is to wet sand the crap out of it.
On you, I wouldn't know, so.
Well, there's not much peel on the hood, but it's kind of hard to fuck up a hood.
There's people, man. There's people.
I guess.
All right, I'll see you after work.
Yes, sir. I'll see you right now. We're going to lunch together.
So we gave you a little taste of the paint. I thought we were gonna go through the whole thing today. We'll hold off for another day. We're gonna make you guys wait until it's all together, but that'll be really soon. I'm really happy. I'm really happy for him. He has worked his ass off for this paint job, and you could tell it looks amazing. And he deserves to have a beautiful daily driver, and this is it. So nice work, B. He has a few minutes left on his lunch break, and he's gonna come down and assess the damages on the E30. Because if you guys saw yesterday's video, you would have saw that me and my buddy hit mid-drift pretty bad and actually shifted the whole rear end. All right, doctor, tell me the damages.
All right, let's see. Let's take a look. All right, obviously this is the point of impact over here.
Yeah, we actually hit right there. So you can
press it.
right here. There's there's 2 dimples. It's hard with the black, but there's a dimple there.
Oh, I see him.
And a dimple there.
I see him. We'll crack the paint. Right there. It's all right. I mean, you definitely move the rails. I'm sure. Look at this right here. So you see this? These 2 bolts didn't move, but you see this guy's bent.
Oh my god, dude!
So the entire ass is over. I'd say 3.5, 4 millimeters, something like that.
So sad.
Yeah, I mean, really, we just gotta bang this thing back straight, and we'll probably pull the trim off of here or something, and just yank it right off the end of the rail.
Easy as that. You can see it. Yep, you're right. It dimpled right here.
Yeah, yep.
There.
So a tiny buckle, and you can see it right in the fuel door, dude. And right here. Look at this. See big hump?
Oh, that makes me want to cry.
Yep. So anyways, I mean, when I yank this thing back over, probably put it on the frame machine for an hour or so, most of this should come back. It's a drift car.
It is. It's so hard to you know, like I've been pushing my luck so hard.
You have been pushing your luck with this thing, but the driving is just, it's been so good.
It's been so good. See, that's, it's just like, I want this car to be perfect forever because it's such a beautiful machine, but like, it also drives so well. And I'm gonna be like, yo, build another one. I'm not. I'm obsessed with this car, dude. Whatever. Well, now that I'm back from Vegas, it is now time to finish up the website and all the merch stuff so we could drop it. Because as you guys know, I mentioned in like the last like real video that I've been going crazy the last couple weeks trying to set up merch, which has also made me completely broke. So of course our content has been slacking like crazy the last couple weeks, but don't worry, don't lose faith in me yet. I know it's seemed like I've been slacking like crazy, but we're gonna come back so much harder, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to drop the line for you guys, and it's just gonna make everything amazing. And I've been working hard, trust me. So Brian, we saw a snippet of Brian's paint. He's not gonna let us see the whole thing until it's fully together, which I understand, I get that. But that'll be quick. We'll go up there, help him assemble. It'll be a great day, it'll be all fun. But since today is a complete utter bust, since I spent all day literally just finishing up the website, so we can still throw out a video for you guys, we're gonna indulge in some sub mail.
Heck yeah, honestly, what the fuck is going on over here?
These dudes are weird.
Anyways, we got an interesting package. Should we start with that one?
You know, yeah, we'll start with the interesting one.
All right.
But yeah, honestly, like I love having an excuse to just bang into sub mail because this stuff's so much fun, and we got a nice little pile. So one showed up that I'm dying to open, and it's in a wooden box.
We're gonna need a drill, aren't we?
I don't think you need it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's screwed together.
Yeah. So we're gonna open this one first.
Oh, that's one. Put this under RJ's tire.
Actually, don't lose these because they will go under the tire. Oh, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, first off, why it's in a wood box is still concerning to me. But first off, we have a lot of candy and a note.
It's because of this
Don't touch anything. We got a note. Stop it. We have a note. Hey, Jimmy, you've been subscribed since the start of the channel and love watching you guys bang out projects. A lot of phlegm. I'm a sign fabricator in Richmond, Washington. That's Washington, right?
Yeah.
Washington, and thought you could use some stuff for the new shop. I've also been making these silhouette paintings for a few years, and the Z32s are my favorite to watch and get built. Keep doing what you're doing. Much love, Luke Cash. P.S. Let me know if I can help with shop signs for the office or whatever. We do acrylic, aluminum, wood, CNC router, and laser engraving, as well as paint and vinyl. Would love to hook you up with some cool stuff for the walls. Once again, Luke Cash. So let's see what Luke made for us. But
besides that, we got candy too. I like candy.
It's gonna be a sign. I'm very excited. All right. Yo.
Oh, wow.
Dude, that's so dope.
I want to see what the other one is. That one's sick.
It's really sick.
Hold it right there.
What?
Oh, this one's got some weight to it.
No way. I love this stuff, dude. Like, I literally like.
That's on like.
I love this stuff. It's the crowd favorite, the red Z on here. Do we just build that car? Because everyone like likes this stupid car so much. Oh, that's so dope.
Align
All right, here's.
What? Oh my God! We all got one.
Parking sign.
Wow, this
that
thing's...
says be high.
RJ, shut up. Just go home. You know? All right.
Okay. Take the camera with me.
No, this is so cool. Yo, look at this. This is literally engraved. That's so crazy.
Oh,
Yo.
CNC'd signs. Those are dope.
Nice work. Dude, these are so sick. Wow, these are, do you see that? It's so gnarly.
Turn it down.
That's not just like no stupid vinyl thing. This is cool as hell.
Wow. Oh, these. Wow.
Wow, this is way too nice.
Go follow at Arbor Lab Creations, guys.
Let's see.
Shout out to Luke.
Oh, this is some serious stuff.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is a dope name. Freaking CNC machine.
All right, well, this was the greatest thing ever. We got some really, really creative signs on some stuff I've never seen anyone do anything like this before, and this is really, really impressive. This one's definitely going in the office, and of course, these are going up in the shop. So, Luke, thank you so much. And now it's time for type 2 diabetes.
When was the last time you went to the dentist? When's the last time you had insurance?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. You're not even gonna share those?
I don't think he is.
Nope.
What a jerk. What are you?
Oh man, my favorite thing to do is just shove as much crap as you can in your mouth, and then it's like, you know.
Actually, you're gonna have.
Busy penny boarding over there. So on to the next one here. This one's got some weight to it. Jimmy probably bought this on Amazon. It's a no. I've been following you guys since. All right, should I finish chewing or do it with
Yeah, you're gross. Let me see this. Following you since the Hacker Days. Love you guys. Loads from the UK. Get some Hondas on the channel. Please tell Tucker he is a good boy. From VTech_Vikings_Kiss Hoonigan.
Yes, finally a Honda kid.
Yo, these guys are really trying to kill us. I'm gonna be honest.
What is it?
You guys are really.
You know what's funny? When I saw the Mars logo, I automatically.
He really just trying to kill us.
Tell me it's full of Reese's.
What is
Hershey.
this?
Never mind.
What
Tell me
is
it's,
this, baby?
Oh my God! It's Uncle Ben's rice. You're not trying to kill us.
This, I just want to point out,
Yeah.
this is the worst tasting rice you will ever have.
No way.
Personal experience.
You're gonna do our boy dirty like that?
He just did us dirty. That stuff is disgusting.
Put some butter in it.
Let's.
You want to eat one?
I gotta take. What? You got water? Hot water?
I think you need water.
All right. I think you need. It's ready. Dude, eat it. Ew! He took a big bite. Wow, really bad. I gotta swallow it. Why did you do that? Oh, it comes with the. Here.
It's so bad.
I told you, it's disgusting. It doesn't matter if it's cooked. It's gross, cold, or cooked.
Is it chewy or
Well, it's
is
already
it just,
pre-cooked.
like, really stiff?
It's
No,
gross,
it's-
double cooked.
It's half cooked.
Like
It's
you.
al dente, huh?
It's Brian.
All right, rough money.
Maybe we got like soy sauce.
Dude, this one came from Canada. Finish chewing that rice. We got another package open.
Jimmy, just spit it out.
That was fucking hard to watch.
I gotta swallow. Wow, that was so bad. Oh, y'all just digging in today.
All right, there's definitely. All right, I got the note this time. All right, I'm
yeah.
sick of listening to you read.
Yeah, it's pretty pathetic.
Hey, Jimbo and the crew. Been a long time subscriber since the OG LSZ days. Noticed Brian needed a silicone inlet pipe for the 1.8T Mark II. I had one lying around and thought, fuck it, pass her along. Enclosed is some of Canada's great treats that the Americas apparently don't get. I don't have a YouTube channel or an Instagram really, but you guys are cool. Basically. I love that. Yo,
I love that.
thanks, Tegan. I appreciate that. So our boy Tegan sent me a thing and some candy.
Oh my
Oh my
yes.
God.
Yes,
Oh!
Woo! Mr. Pig, that was my nickname in high school.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. Yeah.
This might be the one I need.
I think that is the one you need.
What?
It's mine.
Get out of here.
These look so good. This ain't no Uncle Ben rice, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, this ain't Peter Parker's uncle.
Oh my god. I just have to say, huge thank you to all the subscribers for making us very cultured when it comes to candy, because we have had so many candies from around the world. And like, how many people get to do that? You know, like it's random, but it's true. Like, we have had so many different candies, and it's just because of you guys, and that's pretty badass.
That's, you know what,
Nice.
honestly, that's like a general life experience I can appreciate.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You guys allowed us to have this nice life experience and making me more cultured, because as you know, I'm an uncultured what?
Swine.
That's what they say.
Yeah, he doesn't even know what a freaking sconce is.
What the fuck? Is it in tune? Why is it such a tight fitting here?
Because it is.
Tegan, homeboy, thank you for the piece. It fits great. Thank you for the candy. I'm on a sugar high right now. Can't even speak. And I can't speak.
Speak up too. They can't hear you.
No.
You seem embarrassed for that?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, Tegan, appreciate the canna. Tegan, thanks for all the Canada you sent. And this inlet pipe, man. You're the best. Our subscribers are so cool. This one's labeled to Mr. Professor Oaks.
That's actually pretty good. Nice work. Here we go.
Have more candy in your mouth.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, you mad that I told you to open it now?
Don't look at it. Hi from New Zealand, land of the OG JDM scene. Long time viewer, first time mailer. Really hope you get good use out of these and hope someday you come visit. We have some rowdy stuff. Hashtag BrofessorOaks from Sam Vincent. Dude, I've been getting hit up by a lot of people from New Zealand lately. Maybe we need a trip.
We got a lot of Australian and New Zealand subscribers.
I also
Not the same thing, by the way.
No,
not the same thing.
One's a kiwi, one's a kangaroo. I don't know.
Let's check it out. Professional electrical kit. This thing is so gas, dude. It comes with a power probe and everything. Oh my god.
This is a Power Pro brand.
No.
This is the high end.
Oh, this is expensive.
This is.
How much does that cost to
expensive.
ship here?
Well, it's from Amazon, so
Yeah,
different
Is it?
margin.
It's a drop ship, dude. They don't.
Whatever.
It's not from New Zealand.
Thanks, science man.
Oh my god! Wow. How many times have you said wow? I've wanted to order one of these things for a long time.
Yeah, we've been saying like, you know, you're the Mr. Electrical guy. Like you're one of the few guys that would actually get proper like use out of a tool like this.
Wow, it's a Power Pro brand. That's crazy.
So you can like add 12 volts to a system with this guy.
Oh my god.
And this is, you know, your regular multimeter.
Wow, I don't deserve this, man. This is too nice.
This is when your window switches go bad in your car, you just leave this in.
Dude, this is so nice. Sam, I don't even know what to say. This is actually really awesome. Between the multimeter and the Power Probe, this makes diagging electrical issues and building electrical systems so much easier than any other tool on the market. And I just want to let you know I am unbelievably appreciative of this gift right here, dude. This is really cool.
You
and
weren't gonna open it.
I would open it eventually, but I'm gonna use the shit out of this thing, and I am so excited.
Gotta write his name on it.
This guy's gassed right now. Look,
yeah.
he's blushing. He's so happy.
Oh man, get out of here! All right, well, like I always say, we have the greatest subscribers on the face of the earth. You guys are so cool. You guys always send us the cool stuff. Like, you guys are always so thoughtful with everything, and we really appreciate every single thing you send us. And of course, if you guys want to be a part of the sub mail too, the address is in the description. Send whatever you want. Send something creative, something gross that Brian could eat, something interesting, something useful, or something weird that RJ could wear.
Like that.
Like that. So, once again, huge thank you to everyone who sent us something today. This is truly amazing, and really excited that we get to do stuff like this. So, tomorrow, we'll get into more productive things and go from there. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And who's going to do it? Bihal?
Have a great night. Peace.